what will the people say? What will the people say? लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या कहेंगे? So if they say like, if they say about me like I am good, so yeah, I'm good. If they say like I'm a bad, yeah, I'm a bad. If they say I'm a stubborn, I'm a any kind of arrogant, so yeah, I'm arrogant, I'm a stubborn. So this kind of things anyone say, you will not change according to their about to say any kind of them. So let them to speak. That's it. Because it doesn't affect on you. It doesn't affect on your thinking or something. लोगों का क्या है, लोगों का काम ही कहना है, उसके अलावा तो कुछ करेंगे नहीं. So do whatever you want. It's not like that कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. If you will not do anything if you every time you have a fear like in your mind like what will the people say, what will the people say, so you will never able to start any kind of things according to your whatever you want to do. I don't say sorry, I wouldn't say like for as a making a video, making a something new thing. So just go ahead. Namaskar, welcome to day 33, 34, sorry. Welcome to day 34 to filming itself, Ajay this side. 5 minutes left to 7 am at morning and now welcome again. The sunrise is about to rise and yeah, not about to rise but is risen up and now I'm here. Very good morning again and welcome. I'm going towards the P farm to keep an eye on the sprinklers and just be a freezing day. The weather is a little bit misty and the fresh morning it has started. So I did my another also like household chores or buffalo kind of animal chores and now I'm heading towards the home or towards the farm. So start your morning with the good vibes or as a excited. Most often do a gym, most often going somewhere, most often ready for somewhere to school, to their college, to their work. And now this is the sunrise. Yeah, it is a very beautiful view on this day. It's a very redness and very calm and very serene. Very serene morning. The sonorous voice of birds and the day has started. So this morning like I was totally freeze and I think I will have to vacate on this springless suba problem. They like I spread the water, then in that hole I think something else is stuck and it is difficult for me to get out of the any kind of thing क्योंकि मुझे सुबह सुबह गिला होने का शौक नहीं है. ऑलरेडी दो नजर स्टक्स हो चुके हैं और इस तेज प्रॉब्लम पे प्रॉब्लम वो भी सुबह सुबह हो गई. मुझे तो ये निकालना है, गिला तो मैं होने वाला हूँ ही, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ये जो नहीं घूम रहा है उसका सोल्यूशन मेरे को फ़ोन में कैमरा लेके तो करना नहीं है. So yeah, I'm a little bit waited due to this sprinklers because one of them they stuck something, not stuck something, yeah, I stuck a little bit stone, very minor stone. So yeah, this kind of have done this. Oh sorry, this kind of things will have done. Then after I will turn on the another one wall over there. बस और सूरज देव चढ़ चुके हैं. अब वो टाइम पे टाइम आपको याद दिलाते रहेंगे कि मैं इतने ऊपर आ गया, मैं इतने ऊपर आ गया और तुम अपने काम की स्पीड बढ़ा लो. सो क्या बहुत कुछ नहीं. गीला तो मुझे होना था, मैं हो चुका हूँ, ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात नहीं है. आप सुबह सुबह पानी में गीले हो जाओ तो बस यही कहानी है. एंड आई मीट यू सून क्योंकि मेरे हाथ पूरे फ्रीज हो रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. मुझे घर जाके अभी भैंस लगाना है, इट मीन्स दूध निकालना है इसका, और मेरे हाथ टोटली फ्रीज है. तो 5 minutes left to 8 am at morning and I came here for some coriander leaves. Here is a coriander. So it's not necessary like this is the life, or some parts, some moments sometimes will escape in your life. Even what a coincidence of behind of today's clips, like when I have getting a time to make a video, so like a 5 minutes left to 10 a.m. at morning, and this is my day 34 is going on. So I'm going towards this farm, pig farm. I have to turn on the wall and I will turn on the motor after that. So I don't know, like I had made a first clip today, like 5 minutes left to 7, and then 8 minutes left to 5 minutes left, then फिर again the 5 minutes left to 8 a.m. and now is again 5 minutes left to 10 a.m. at morning, and now I'm here. 34 day is going on, and I had gone towards the well side, and then I came, and actually I was just a while ago I was spreading the water in a plaster, like plaster is going on in the house, like we got a plaster by the mistri. I don't know what is called the mistri in English. So I came here for turn on this wall जो मैंने कल चेंज किए थे, एंड यहाँ से स्प्रिंगलर्स नीचे लुढ़क चुके हैं. इट मीन्स आड़े हो चुके हैं ये, और ये बीच का तो गिर ही चुका है, तो रिस्क नहीं लेना, इनको सुधार देना. बीच एक एज गिर चुका है, ये थोड़े से बैंड भी होंगे तो पानी एकदम प्रॉपर नहीं जाएगा. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू चेक वन बाय वन, नॉट चेक वन बाय वन, इट्स टाइम टू ओनली टर्न ऑफ देम. इनको सीधा करना एक ज़रूरी है. पत्थर का लीन टेक्का लगाना पड़ेगा इनमें. Now like this, now is a no kind of wind is blowing, as a not a crisp or biting, not a biting but howling kind of thing. It's not, so I will turn on this because this is the right time to turn off them. Otherwise, when will the start it, wind will be start, so it will not possible. Like proper the water not reach the dry place. So this is my day 34 और द उथल पुथल. रिजल्ट क्या होता है, पाइप खुलता है या नहीं खुलता. विदिन लेस टाइम करो तो मज़ा आता है, विदिन टाइम लेके करेंगे तो फिर क्या मज़ा पड़ता है. तो यहाँ मोटर now has started, motor has started, and now I can run to the farm. मेरे इतने दौड़ के जाने से पहले ही पानी भर जाता है. दिस इज द अनदर थिंग इज दिस इज बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी नियर, नॉट अ फार अवे. ओह बड़ी, और पाइप खोला तो कोई चांस नहीं रहते. आप दूसरी जगह पाइप खोलो फिर लगाने के. चलती मोटर में आप पाइप नहीं लगा सकते. इट मीन्स आप स्प्रिंगलर्स चलती मोटर में तो नहीं लगा सकते यहाँ पे. ये देखो मैंने बोला था मेरे पहले आने से पहले ही चालू हो जाएंगे, और ये हो चुके हैं. बस आउट एंड आउट ऑफ कीप ऑन आई. सरसरी निगाहों से एक बार देखना कि कोई खुले ना, कोई अटके ना, सब कुछ एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड, एवरीथिंग इज़ गोइंग गुड. सो ऑलमोस्ट मेरा ये काम हो चुका है. एक बार ही लास्ट वाले देखने, वहाँ से पानी भी, वहाँ पे नीचे से पानी लीकेज हो रहा है ये नोजल में, तो एक बार चेक करना है. दैट्स इट. क्योंकि पाइप खुलने के चांस ज़्यादा हो सकता, या तो फिर इसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, इसका यहीं से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, यहीं से पानी गिर रहा है. पानी 10 minutes left to 11 a.m. at morning, and I came here. I had came here for turn off the motor, and I turned it off, and now it's heading towards the home. और बस कुछ नया तो स्पेशल है नहीं. कहीं किसी पिटी लाइफ काम करो, काम ना करो, मतलब बस अब घर जाना है, फिर से काम करना, मतलब भैंस ढोर को चारा पानी, फिर से खेत में, और फिर मुझे आज हालांकि चेंज करना है स्प्रिंगलर्स फ्रॉम दी अनदर साइड के जो गार्लिक वाला फार्म है उसी में दोबारा रिपीट करना है. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आई विल डू इन द एट इवनिंग, नॉट नो as of now, because of that nothing is special. And yesterday Papaji had came this side, I didn't have come, so this another thing, but I will come today, like I will come at night after 10. So that's it. Or this is my day 34 to filming itself. It's 3 minutes left to 3 p.m. at afternoon, and this is my day 34 is going on to filming itself. And I don't know why I'm today feeling like a lethargic, sluggish, and very dreadful because nothing I had to work like I worked, like I did a lot thing, not a lot of thing, a lot thing only. But I don't know why I'm feeling lethargic. Like even yesterday I didn't go over there in a well side. Papaji had gone there, or but I don't know why I'm feeling very lethargic. Everything is going good. Oh ho, one problem is there. One problem ये है कि पाइप खुला तो नहीं, है, पाइप नहीं खुला. Everything going good, but I think in this pipe there is a water. That's why it's like a totally lay down, not down, but it's a, yes. Now this time again to approve the grass, like a weeding process going on. Like this corner over there, and I don't have my improvisation. This is jugaad. I don't have my stick on my rope. Like I will able to hang up my phone in a stick, so I don't have, and I will not do this kind of it. यहाँ से चारा बहुत है, पहले वहाँ से कर लिया जाए, then इधर. 4 p.m. at afternoon, and this is my day 34 is going on. So I approach. What will the people say? What will the people say? लोग क्या कहेंगे? So if they say like, if they say about me like I am good, so yeah I'm good. If they say like I'm a bad, yeah I'm a bad. If they say I'm a stubborn, I'm a any kind of arrogant, so yeah I'm arrogant, I'm a stubborn. So this kind of things anyone say, you will not change according to their about to say any kind of them. So let them to speak. That's it. Because it doesn't affect on you, it doesn't affect on your thinking or something. लोगों का क्या है, लोगों का काम ही कहना है, उसके अलावा तो कुछ करेंगे नहीं. So do whatever you want. It's not like that कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. If you will not do anything like if you every time you have a fear like in your mind, like what will the people say, so you will never able to start any kind of things according to your whatever you want to do. I don't say sorry, I wouldn't say like for as a making a video, making a something new thing. So just go ahead and do within your access like or also one thing is remind in mind, minded, cut your cloth according to your coat. Okay, don't be like a oversize, don't be cut the cloth in like a like don't be cut the cloth oversize of coat kind of it. I think you got it, everyone like got it about this one. So yeah, I have done, and now I will go to home, and then I have to come again, और फिर से मुझे स्प्रिंग वाश वगैरह चेंज करने हैं. तो आई मीट यू सून. मुझे वहाँ पे करना तो मैं वहाँ पे करूँगा, फिर देन उधर जाना है. सो या आई मीट यू सून. एंड ये हो गया मेरा काम, इतना डन, इतना चारा हो चुका है. देन फिर और कर. I had a very appetite kind of hungerness, so I haven't like took my food, or like a very appetite kind of hungerness I had. So I I I skipped my lunch, not a lunch like, yeah it is a lunch, and before the lunch, like before the 12 p.m. Before the 12 p.m. or after the 9 a.m. or in the morning, it's called a brunch. So I had my food around 11:30 something. No, not 11:30. Yeah, like a half past 11 a.m. No. Yeah, it's like 11 a.m. something. I had my food. Now I'm here. Like this one is a set. Like it's a way. It's a like a all kind of set or I have to make a tattoo. What is this? So I don't know what is the call. It's called मेरा टट्टू यहीं खड़ा, खाने को मांगे नहीं पड़ा. तो मेरा टट्टू यहाँ इसलिए कराना है मेरे को कि शुगर का रंग बढ़ रहा है डे बाई डे. तो मैं ऐसा यहाँ पे लगाऊंगा एक एक दो. और मुझे इसी खेत में स्प्रिंकलर्स चेंज करने हैं अभी करना है. पहले मैं इस टट्टू हमको रेडी कर दूँ, एक या दो बनाऊंगा, एक यहाँ एक वहाँ और एक इधर. हालांकि इस एरिया में इस साइड से रुक कर आती है, जो यहाँ पे नियर ऑफ द पॉन्ड इज हेयर, माई विलेज पॉन्ड इज हेयर. सो first I make a one by one this tattoo, then I will make it up. Then I will after I will change the trailer, so that I will do soon. So something like this. There are two in kind of I like look. So I will up this side, and I just I have a bag for this. But I have to like clear a long thick bag of this for this. I think I will get this. So I just try and so I will So he'll stay this hand only. तो मैं दूसरा टैटू खड़ा हो गया. बस ये करना 2 ही लगाऊंगा मैं, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा की नहीं थी. So I put only 2 ones and no needed too much here. Now it's time to change the fingers. अच्छा हम काम को फिर वो प्लेट डाला. उससे चाहे हम भी डाल देते हैं. ये सिंपल यहाँ का अस्सी परसेंट अभी तक ओके है. ये नहीं है. This is my head like this and the other hand is the very hey it doesn't work the same time. Put this top part. So it's already on the मतलब ऊपर वाले से मैंने तो चलो हम अपनी हां जो है एंड when they तो काम करने जो है करने हैं या after that don't mind like it has got a in kind of feeling you not one single one is needed and if you want to do that and so find for this and this time I using kind of stronger now इसे यहाँ तो कोई ना काम करें मेरा फिटिंग था हमारे बड़ा पहले like I change the fingers from here to over there. Now just a while after they will begin to rotate. And now it's a Friday evening. It's being a Friday evening. Dhalti Syam or and it's at 20 past 5 p.m. at evening and I hope pipe khule na kahin pe. I will do this kind of things and I will this finger is left as per buffalo and along with this not along with this but I have to put over there to सरसों जैसा जो दिख रहा है इसका और there is the coriander is a little bit coriander there is a fenugreek and garlic and there is a pea and here I am the Pappu Kodle belong to a very small town in district of Madhya Pradesh. So this is my felt like a seemed like today is a lethargic but yeah out and out is a good for me it was good. So I will meet you soon like I will meet you on tomorrow in my 35 day. So bye, take care and don't think too much.